Meaning of dragon boat.
Dragon boat.
Dragon boat.
Dragon boat.
Dragon boat. A dragon boat is a long and narrow human-powered watercraft that originated in China over 2,000 years ago. The boats are typically decorated with dragon heads and tails and are manned by a team of paddlers who row to the beat of a drum. Dragon boat racing has become a popular sport around the world and is often associated with cultural festivals and team-building activities. The sport is known for promoting teamwork, endurance, and community spirit while providing a thrilling and exciting experience for participants and spectators alike.